Hello my pretties, what's up? Welcome to the second episode of my skincare series. In today's video, we'll be talking about acne, how I got acne-free skin, home remedies, and we'll also give you some cream options that will instantly heal your acne overnight. So do watch this video till the end, and if you're new, make sure you subscribe and watch my previous episode in this series, which is a must-follow skincare steps for all skin types. I'll link it at the top. Do watch it out if you haven't already, and without much ado, let's get started. First things first, you need to follow a proper skincare routine, and I do not believe in too many steps. So step one is to wash your face at least 2 times, and you do not need a acne fighting face wash to do that, because I believe acne fighting face washes can be way too harsh and drying, and they can screw up your skin's protective barriers. So instead I would suggest to use a mild gentle cleanser like Neutrogena, Aveeno and non-drying cleanser. Do check these out, they are really good, really mild, and are perfect for acne prone skin. Step 2 is to use a moisturizer. Now this is a myth that acne prone skin do not need moisturizer. Oily skin and acne prone skin 100% needs moisturizer. So keep your skin balanced and hydrated with a good moisturizer which is lightweight and oil free. Cetaphil is perfect for that, so you can check that out. Step 3 is to use a sunscreen. Now we all get those scars and acne marks which last for weeks or even for months after we get our pimples. So exposure from sun makes the scars even worse, so make sure you wear your sunscreen. Any sunscreen would work, any formula with the SPF of 30 or more than that works, so make sure you wear your sunscreen. Now for your nighttime routine, after applying your cleanser and moisturizer, you need to apply a acne treatment. You can use your gel or cream. I swear by these two products, these are amazing. Just apply them on affected area, let it sit overnight, and next day my pimple is gone. So yeah, these are amazing and I highly recommend these. This is a gel, this one suggested again by my doctor. This is around 100 rupees, so this is quite affordable. Then there's one more option called Acne Dap, that's affordable as well. You can check that out. And then there's this magic potion called the Mario Badescu drying lotion, which is used by Hollywood celebrities, and trust me guys, this is amazing, but this is quite pricey, so I would suggest you guys to only invest in this product if you get lots and lots of acne. Otherwise this would work for you. This is great as well. So yeah, these are the products that I swear by. So let me share my acne experience so that you guys know कौन सी चीज़ें आपको बिल्कुल नहीं करनी है. So right now currently I do not have a acne prone skin, but I used to get lots of acne back in 2009-10, and honestly I never experienced full face of acne. Like मुझे इतने ज़्यादा acne कभी नहीं हुए, but yeah, I used to get 2-3 pimples at a time, but I used to poke them, which is the worst thing you can do to your skin. और उसकी वजह से जो pimple normally 4-5 days last करता है, it would take a month's time to heal. So you have to avoid poking your pimples. Do not touch them again and again. That's very important. Otherwise you would spread the bacteria और आपको और ज़्यादा pimples हो जाएंगे. So make sure you do not touch them, you do not poke them. So I tried every possible thing, but nothing worked for me during that time, and an amazing doctor came to my rescue, and the first thing he asked me was कि आपको permanent solution चाहिए या temporary solution चाहिए. So obviously I went for the permanent one. So I had this skin treatment for acne जिसमें he gave me 7-8 sittings, and उसमें he used to put a solution on my face and then rinse that off in 2-3 minutes. That's all he used to do. And it costed me around 5-6 thousand during that time, back in I guess 2011, and it was quite expensive. उस treatment के दौरान I used to get lots and lots of pimples, and I was like, I again wasted my money and this is not gonna go. Once the procedure ended, I started seeing the results. My skin was getting better and clear, and I started loving it. I just loved my skin. I was so happy that I suggested that doctor to so many other people. Everything was good, and guys, trust me, I didn't get a single breakout for 5-6 years. I I think 4 or 5 years, I didn't get a single breakout. But soon after that, I started realizing that my skin has become extremely dry and it's become flaky. It was not healthy at all. It didn't look healthy. So yes, this treatment did help me, but at the same time, it affected my skin. It made my skin extremely dry, and again I had to visit a doctor to get my healthy skin back. So yeah, that's about it. That's about the treatment, and I wanted to share it with you so that you guys know the repercussions of such treatment. If you go for such treatments, you know how they affect your skin later. So that's about it, and let's just talk about the most effective home remedy, because nothing better than using the products you find in your kitchen. So I like putting this face pack on my face, wherein I take half spoon of honey and add 2-3 lemon drops and mix them well and apply it all over my face. You can also just use it on your acne spots, and then just rinse it off after 20 minutes, and you do not need to use a face wash. Just wash your face after 20 minutes and you're done. And before you go to sleep, use some mint leaves and crush them well, and you need to add some aloe vera pulp, and just mix them well and do spot correcting, like apply them on your acne spots and go to sleep, and the next day your pimple will be gone. Now for scars, they take time to go, but you can use your aloe vera gel. As I said, it helps in building new skin cells, and you can also use bio oil. That's also really effective for your scars or spots. It helps in healing them and it lightens them. And guys, I hope you liked today's video, and I hope it was helpful. I know pimples can be really stressful, especially in the age when you're in school or college. You want to look your best every time, but remember one thing, these are temporary, they will go. So never lose your confidence because of those stupid pimples. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say. Always wear your confidence, and yeah, I hope this video was helpful and you liked it. And if you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.